Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by staying calm and preparing to follow clear steps now. Check your inbox and spam for Microsoft Security Alert email now. That message often explains why the account locked and lists next actions. Complete the Microsoft account recovery form with accurate recent details now. Provide correct email addresses, recent passwords, and device locations you used. Wait 24 hours after submitting recovery information before retrying sign-in. Use that time to gather secondary verification, like phone numbers and alternate email addresses. Next, verify your identity with the most current contact information available. Provide a current phone number to receive a 6-digit verification code. Enter that code promptly when prompted to confirm possession of the device. Use an alternate email you control to receive recovery links immediately if phone access fails. Do not reuse old passwords. Enter at least one recent password you recall. If prompted, list devices and locations used in the past 90 days. Keep a note of the recovery case number for future reference. Once you regain access, secure the account to prevent future locks immediately. Change your password to a strong, unique passphrase of at least 12 characters. Update recovery phone numbers and alternate email addresses before you finish. Enable two-step verification and register a trusted phone and alternate email for codes. Remove unused devices and revoke app passwords you no longer need. Review security info every 90 days and remove unused devices immediately. If you still cannot recover, contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.